Here we have my new generator. It's a 2.2 kilowatt generator. That's peak power, obviously. I reckon 1900 watts constant. It's supposedly lightweight and quiet. Chinese made, of course, but we'll get it out of the box and see what it's like. This is going to be my range extender for my little Citroen Ami. The Citroen Ami only has a range of about 40 miles, and you don't always end up at a charge point. So this is a little bit of peace of mind if you're out and about and run out of power. Hopefully this is small enough to fit in the luggage space. I give you the oil to go with it. Half a litre of 10W30 motor oil. So we've got in here. We've got a 12 volt lead, crocodile clips and standard cigarette lighter type. Funnel for putting the oil in. Special deal, they threw in a little 3-pin to your camping type 16 amp plug. Right, put this on the ground and take the motor out. Take the generator out of the box. Attempt to take the generator out of the box. Nothing else in there. What have we got here? Load about the oil, various little warnings. There's a lock on there, a vapor lock. No oil in units, yes, well with that. And this will be the operator's manual. Get rid of that and see where we put the oil on. Yeah, 93 dB. It says 58 dB. Which do you believe? Rated output 1.9 kilowatts. 240 volts, 50 hertz, max power 2.2 kilowatts for 5 minutes, start power 2.5 kilowatts, weight 17.6 kilograms, rated current 7.9 amps. We've got a choke there, start lever, two 240 volt outlets. That's for combining two units together. You can link them together. And you've got your 12 volt output. Got stop and start. A couple of trips. I presume you open this to get to put the oil in. And you've got your vent and your petrol cap. And up here, access to your spark plug. Okay, we'll read the instructions now. side cover. It's held on with 2 little screws. That will be your oil fill there. The little dipstick. No oil in it, add oil. Yes, dipstick maximum. Checked when it's just sitting against the hole. So it reckons half a litre to fill it. Okay. Yeah, that looks about right. Right, I'll go and get some fuel for it next. So I'll run on petrol of 85 octane or above, and anything up to E10. No E85 or E15 or anything like that. So E5 or E10 will do fine. I don't know what the capacity is. I'm sure it said 1.1 gallons somewhere. I'm sure it'll be on a spec sheet somewhere. We'll find out. The air vent on it, the on position and the off position. Warning labels off. Warning! Do not close the fuel vent until engine is cooled for at least 15 minutes. Yep, fine. No oil, yeah, we've got oil in it now. Yeah. Vent. Done that in there. Pull the choke and then start it. Simple as that. I'll put it on the ground to do that, I think. Good. There. Fits in the footwell. Still room to get your legs in. Doesn't go all the way in, but it goes sufficiently far. Very good. Of course it's wet out here. Before I can try charging the AMI, I will need to run the battery down somewhat. It's fully charged at the moment. And it's miserable wet out there as well. It should charge okay. When I've been charging previously, I've been seeing a maximum of about 1760 watt charge going into it. And, the generator is capable of 1900 watts continuous to 2 for about 5 minutes and 2.5 absolute maximum surge. So it should be quite capable of charging the AMI up. Quite a neat little unit, relatively quiet. A little spark arrestor on the exhaust there. It fits quite neatly into the footwell of the AMI if I need to take it anywhere. Now I've got a ranging anxiety. Yeah, it's your fuel switch. This is for paralleling up with a second generator. They do a special lead so you can increase the power output of the system. The 12 volt is pretty unregulated, the 12 volt supply they say, and you shouldn't use it if you're using the AC outlets, or it could damage units. We have 2 AC outlets. So I'll give it an impartial review as I bought it with my own money. Made by Champion Power Equipment. That's a model 92001I-UK. Obviously the UK is for the 3-pin outlets. See if it's charging. Indeed, it is charging.